Open the main driver's window halfway, and open the diagonally opposite rear window halfway. If the car window is open like this, then you are wrong. I tell you today how to open the windows to be cooler than the air conditioner and save fuel. Very simple. Open the main driver's window halfway and open the diagonally opposite rear window halfway. In this way, the hot air in the car will be discharged quickly. The wind blowing in is very comfortable. Second, when the car smells bad, close one window and open the other 3 windows. This way, the odor will be gone in no time. Third, when someone is smoking in the car, open the window where he is and open a gap 2 fingers wide. In this way, the outside of the car looks like a range hood. The smoke will keep flowing out. Fourth, what should I do if the noise is too loud when I open the window? We can open a window halfway, keep other windows closed, then open the skylight a third. Not only does this make less noise, and the wind blowing in will be soft and comfortable. The last thing to note is that never open just one rear window or lower all windows. People sitting in the car will be very uncomfortable by the wind, and the fuel consumption will get higher. Have you learned it? Follow me. Go to the homepage to learn more about cars. Driving on a rainy day. Many people only know how to turn on. Visibility inside the car is still very poor. Driving is very dangerous. Today I will teach you the correct method of driving in the rain. Hurry up and click to collect. Learn how to save your life at critical moments. First, be sure to turn off the automatic start and stop function. Avoid secondary ignition of the engine after the vehicle enters water. Secondary ignition after flameout can easily cause the engine to be scrapped. Maintenance costs are very high, and the insurance company won't pay. Second, driving windshields fog up very easily, affect safety. If you want to defog quickly, let's turn on the air conditioner as soon as possible. Adjust the blowing mode to glass blowing. At the same time, soon all the fog on the glass will disappear. Third, it is very easy for water droplets to hang on the rear view mirror when driving on rainy days. At this time, we only need a rear glass defog switch. The rear view mirror will automatically turn on heating. Soon all the water drops will disappear. At the same time, if there are water droplets on the car windows, we just need to lower the glass to the bottom and then raise it. All water droplets will be scraped off. Fourth, be sure to turn on the front and rear fog lights of the vehicle. The octopus pointing to the right represents the front fog light. The octopus to the left represents the rear fog light. Because fog lights have stronger penetrating power, can avoid collision. Isn't it very useful? If there are still people around you who don't know, hurry up and forward this video to share with them. Follow me and get more cars for you.
Too hot, too hot. Turn on the air conditioner quickly.
Stop. Do you want to die? The car has been exposed to the sun. Car trim plastics release large amounts of formaldehyde. You can't turn on the air conditioner.
It's so hot. What should I do?
Let me teach you a trick that will make a cotton padded jacket in the car. First, open the passenger window fully. Then open and close the left front door back and forth 8 times. This is based on the principle of bellows. Make the temperature inside and outside the car consistent quickly. Come on, get in the car and feel it.
It's indeed much cooler.
Of course. I'll teach you. First, turn on the air conditioner. Adjust the air volume to the maximum. Open the outer loop. Then lower all the windows. After 1 minute, let's adjust the air volume to moderate. Then open the inner loop. Close all the windows. You try again.
Hey, this air conditioner has already started fans.
Of course. Have you learned it? Is it particularly practical? Follow me to learn more about cars.
Shorts clip are available on my shorts section. Thank you so much for watching.